Hey folks, what a mild day we had across the valley today. Temperatures this morning starting in the 50s and then warming only into the 70s this afternoon and low 70s at that. Lots of clouds around, bit of a breeze, kept it rather cool for this time of year. Here's where we are right now. These are the current readings, and most of the valley is in the low 70s. A little cooler at the coast, 69 right now in Port Isabel, 68 on South Padre Island, but still very cool valley-wide. And if you look at tomorrow, here's your front yard forecast. Open the door and walk outside. Well, put your mask on, walk outside. 58 degrees in the morning at 6 a.m., 62 by 8. And by 10 o'clock, you're at 70, back in the mid-70s by lunchtime. We top out in the upper 70s tomorrow afternoon. That should be just about it. If you look at the next 3 days, the normal's 86, and tomorrow will be well below that at 79. On Friday, we're up to 88, and then we kind of just scale it back 1 degree for Saturday, as there's a front stalling nearby. At least we think it's going to stall. There's one model that pushes it on through. That would cool it off more, but it looks like it ought to stall pretty close to us, enough to bring us clouds, maybe a shower, and slightly cooler temperatures. Now, here's cloud cover. There's been plenty of that today. We've had some breaks this afternoon. A little bit of sunshine out there, but not much. And if you look ahead, clouds really thicken up tonight into tomorrow, so tomorrow's a mainly cloudy day. A little bit warmer, and then we go into Friday, getting warmer yet, with just that slight chance for a shower around the area on Friday. But we're putting that probability right now at about 20%, probably not any higher than that, but there could be something brief. There you see Thursday, nothing tomorrow. Friday, 20%. Saturday, when that front stalls in the area, 30%. And where that front actually ends up will really determine whether we cool off much at all and just how much rain we might see. Not thinking a whole lot right now. These are currents around the state. It's warmed up a little bit after being in the 50s and even 40s up in the Panhandle yesterday. It's in the 60s now. One front down to the south, and that front just kind of sags farther south, leaving us with plenty of clouds. If you look at South Texas, a lot of clouds, maybe some sprinkles off to the west and the upslope areas where the wind off the Gulf goes uphill into the mountains. There could be some sprinkles over there, but not much over the valley. By the time we get to Friday, maybe a brief morning shower, that warm front in the neighborhood, cold front coming from the north, and all comes together to stall just north of us probably on Saturday. At least it looks like it's going to stall. And if that's the case, it is indeed a whole lot warmer up into the upper 80s on Saturday, probably even warmer than that on Sunday. One model does push that front south of the river for just a little while. If that happens, at least the upper valley could be a lot cooler Saturday, but that's still a few days away. We're going to have to wait and see. But there's potential for Saturday to be very warm. A very slight chance it could cool off. Another front shows up on the map on Sunday. That one looks like it could move in early next week, cool things off a little bit. So here's where our weekend forecast stands right now. 87, 97, still subject to change because, again, not a lot of confidence in how that front stalls out. Just a slight chance for a couple of showers on Saturday, and Sunday at this point looks mostly sunny and hot. So for tonight, partly to mostly cloudy, back in the upper 50s again tomorrow. 79, that's it. Mostly cloudy. There could be some late day sunshine, but not much. Humidity starts to creep back up a bit, but still not too bad. Here's your first 1-5 AccuWeather forecast for the next 7 days. Tomorrow looks comfortable at 79 with plenty of clouds around. Could be an isolated shower or thunderstorm Friday, Saturday, 20-30%. Sunday looks mainly dry and hot. Your high on Sunday, 97, and then we drop it off a couple degrees for the early part of next week. Bottom line for tomorrow, mostly cloudy. Highs mostly in the 70s. That's your updated First 1-5 AccuWeather forecast.